Introducing the Rubbermaid 28-piece food storage containers with snap bases for easy organization and lids for lunch, meal prep, and leftovers. These containers are a must-have for anyone looking to keep their food fresh and organized. One of the standout features of these containers is their durability. Made with crystal-clear Triton plastic bases, they are shatterproof and resistant to stains and odors. You can trust that these containers will stay in great condition for a long time. Not only are these containers perfect for meal prep and lunch, but they are also great for storing leftovers and even for parties. The updated lid design makes cleaning and drying a breeze, and it also helps prevent spills when you fill them up. Space saving and organization have been taken into consideration with the Premier Easy Find lids. They snap to the bottom of the container and to each other, making it easy to keep your cabinets neat and tidy. The bases of the containers nest inside each other, saving even more space. With 14 containers included in this set, you will have plenty of options to store your food. The set includes 2 0.5 cup, 2 1.25 cup, 2 2 cup, 4 3 cup, 2 5 cup, and 2 7 cup containers, along with their respective lids. That's a total of 28 pieces to meet all your food storage needs. You can trust the Rubbermaid Premier Easy Find lid food storage containers to keep your food fresh and organized. They are BPA-free, freezer and top rack dishwasher safe, and the bases are microwave safe for reheating only. Please note that this product is designed for use in the US and may require an adapter or converter for international use. Please check compatibility before making a purchase. Get the Rubbermaid 28-piece food storage containers with snap bases and enjoy the convenience and organization it brings to your kitchen.